Hi, hello, ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will teach you how to hide slides in PowerPoint. Before we even start, I would like to please you about that to give me a subscribe and place a like below to this video if you think this video is valuable for you. Alright, so let's get to the tutorial. First, we need to create some slides, so let's do so. Create some slides and delete this default text. Alright. And now when we have clear slides, let's create any shapes, any objects. So the first slide will be maybe the square. The second will be the triangle, but let's change the color. The third will be hidden slide, so just type here hidden slide. Alright, hidden slide. And the fourth, it will be oval. And also change the color, maybe to this one. Alright, so where you can hide slides. You have to click on the slide that you want to hide. So let's say this number 3. Right click on it. And as you can see, now you have hide slide option. So just click it. And now as you can see, it's slightly black and this digit 3 is crossed out. So that means that this slide will be not visible during PowerPoint show. So let's open PowerPoint show. It's located here. Start from the beginning. Also, you can use F5 shortcut if you want. So let's do that. And now, as you can see, we are in PowerPoint slideshow option. And we can navigate through the whole presentation. So that's the first slide. As you can see, we can see it. Let's go to the second. As you can see, our triangle. And now, let's say to the third. And as you can see now, it is not this hidden slide because, like I said, we have already hide this slide. So now it appears the next slide after the hidden one, right? Yeah, so that was everything about hidden slides in PowerPoint and how to do that. Please consider subscribing our channel. Place like below this video. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.